I'm going to visit the north of my country, where hundreds of thousands of families have lost their homes in floods. Climate change driven by fossil fuel use has increased the risk of flooding across the world. I've heard oil pollution in the area is making a bad situation even worse.
The oil in the environment and in contact with the human being is a silent killer. So with this flood right now, it is a disaster.
You can see the flooding waters here. Look at the water and look at the camp this side. The only thing that's supporting those people is this long water dive to keep them dry and safe. This is part of Unity State before the floods and after. In 2019, extreme flooding began. At the flood's peak in 2022, up to 70% of Unity State was underwater. More than 700,000 people have been affected across the country. Tens of thousands moved into Bentiu camp. Today I'm meeting a village elder called Nyakuma in camp. She's agreed to show us her flooded home. Nyakuma, male, chaba kamal.
Chaba kamal.
Tamam?
Tamam.
Yisim kef.
Mada, mila makana, bawa you.
Hasta barja bet hinak miten.
Oh, bana wa asa.
South Sudan has always had some flooding in the wet season, but it's becoming more extreme every year. It's now the end of the dry season, and the water's still here. Nyakuma. Nyakuma. Ana ma barif kalam ta kanu de. I'm panicking, I'm stressed. I am yet to get used to swinging left and right. Oh, we have cows around even. The Nuer people of this area have always kept cattle, but the floods have changed everything. في بقرة في بيت؟ في بقر؟
Hey, hello. Okay, Solia. Kapi, pia ok na ka.
This is Nyakuma's house. Mush? Male. Sidu bit. Kif? Tamam? Alhamdulillah. Without cattle and with crops underwater, food is scarce. Nyakuma and her family have no choice but to forage for food like the edible roots of water lilies. Sunday explained this space, it was occupied with people, kids playing around. They practice their cultural dances, and the kids even having their freedom, and also the huts, they have a space. But the water pushed them to a small spot like this, and he said they're living like a mosquito. Sunday, Nyakuma and their daughter Nyariag invite me to join their hard-won meal. Nyakuma, cham, shandawa dawa der akil fi jisim. The flood waters harbor diseases. Nyakuma has recently recovered from malaria.
Ba wara ifina ba ko mojoi. Moy ko yitiam di. Ana.
Yale asa.
Kana na ba ya cham. Cha ko riam da ya bagrar che ta ga la cham cha. Ana. Matela kuma malwako. Da ko chui choi ndi de wona na penyima. Chwal nan kam ko yuwe.